Welcome back, coffee lovers. Today we're making a dreamy strawberry cheesecake iced coffee that's rich, creamy, and bursting with fresh strawberry flavor. This dessert-inspired drink blends bold espresso with smooth cream cheese, milk, and sweet strawberry goodness for a refreshing cafe-quality treat. It's easy to make, incredibly delicious, and perfect for satisfying both your coffee and dessert cravings. Ingredients: 2 shots espresso or 1/2 cup strong brewed coffee, chilled 1 cup milk whole, oat or almond, 2 tablespoons cream cheese, softened 2 tablespoons strawberry syrup, 2-3 fresh strawberries, sliced 1 tablespoon sugar or honey, 1 cup ice cubes, whipped cream, crushed graham crackers for garnish. Directions: begin by blending the softened cream cheese, milk, strawberry syrup, and optional sugar or honey until completely smooth and creamy. This creates the rich cheesecake-inspired base for your drink. Fill a tall serving glass with plenty of ice cubes. Arrange a few fresh strawberry slices along the inside of the glass for a beautiful presentation and an extra burst of fruity flavor. Slowly pour the creamy strawberry mixture over the ice. Next, gently add the chilled espresso or strong brewed coffee, allowing it to create attractive layers before stirring. Top the drink with a generous swirl of whipped cream and sprinkle crushed graham crackers over the top to mimic the classic cheesecake crust. Add another fresh strawberry as a garnish for the perfect finishing touch. Give everything a gentle stir before sipping to combine the bold coffee, creamy cheesecake filling, and sweet strawberry flavors. This strawberry cheesecake iced coffee is rich, refreshing, and indulgent, the perfect homemade cafe drink for warm afternoons, weekend brunches, or whenever you're craving a dessert and coffee all in one delicious glass. Thanks for watching. I hope you loved this strawberry cheesecake iced coffee recipe. If you make it at home, let me know how it turned out in the comments below. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell for more creative coffee recipes. Until next time, stay refreshed and enjoy every delicious sip. Free ebook, Starbucks Liquors, Coffee the Adult Alcohol, worth $5.99. The description, https://tinyurl.com/3coffeelover.